Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. It's to your boy Domino right here again, and right now, guys, I want to actually show you guys how you can actually make a whole lot of money, like literally some kind of money on the side. Yes, guys. So I want to actually show you guys literally side hustle, how you can actually make money listening to music with your smartphone, your PC, your computer, any other, your laptop, so on and so forth, any device at all. As far as you're having internet connection, you can actually listen to music and get paid, and literally into your accounts. Yeah, guys. So with that being said, guys, without any further ado, if this is actually a topic which you literally love, please don't forget to actually let me know in the comment section and tell me what you want next on this channel. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you can get notified by YouTube whenever another money making video is being published to this channel. So with that being said, guys, without any further ado, if you're new here, you're welcome. To my 20 subscribers, welcome back. Now let's get into the video on how to actually make money listening to music. I have 4 methods right now. Let's get into the video, guys. Alright, guys, so welcome back to the channel. Welcome back from that short break right now. And right now, guys, this is the platform. If I jump into my Google Chrome browser right now, as you can see here, this is the first platform on my list, which is called Earnably. Now this is the first one, as I said earlier. It is actually called Earnably. I'm having 4 platforms right now on this, like in this video. And if you want to actually get all the juicy details about them, don't forget to watch through the end of this video, and encourage me by hitting the like button and also subscribing if you're new here. Thank you. So right now, guys, as you can see here, it says complete surveys, get rewards, easy instant rewards. You get, so invite friends and earn more also. And yeah, as you can see, there are a whole lot of testimonials here, and literally you earn points on Earnably, and then you can convert it to cash. Then you cash it off using different methods. As you can see here, there are offer walls that you can actually use to make money, like using different survey platforms and so on. You can literally do surveys here, and then you cash out your money through using PayPal and Amazon gift cards, so on and so forth. And then that's it, guys. That's literally it. And if you want to actually sign up on this platform, you are literally just going to be hitting this green button here which says sign up. Now if you click on it right now, it's going to be loading up for you. And as you can see here, it says unsupported for Nigeria. Yeah, so it's actually unsupported for this country. But if you want to actually do this, you can actually using VPN, or you create a new Gmail address and using change the country to another country, let's say United Kingdom or so on and so forth. And then that's it, guys. So that's Earnably for Earnably. And literally I didn't actually specify that it's actually for Nigerians always, or for Nigerians only. It's actually a worldwide platforms you can actually use to make money for yourself. So the next one on my list here, which is the second one, is actually called RadioEarn.com. Now RadioEarn is actually a simple platform, as you can see here, as its name actually implies. Radio earn, literally you can actually just listen to music here also, and then you get paid directly into your account, like literally your PayPal, so on and so forth. So we'll just give it a while for it to load up, guys. Just give it a while and it's going to be loaded up for us ASAP. Yes, guys, so we'll just give it a while. So as it is actually loading up right now, please guys, don't forget to actually hit the like button. That like button actually helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, turn on the bell icon so you can get notified by YouTube whenever a new money making video is being published to this channel. So right now, as you can see here, it says welcome to RadioEarn.com. Earn alone or with your website listening radio. Now literally that's it. This is actually a website radio. Yeah, literally, as you can see here, the first step actually says you sign up, create a free account on RadioEarn.com. It's actually 100% free. Yes, guys. So you actually, step 2 is actually to sign in. After registration, you can actually log into and see your account. And after that, step 3, which actually says start radio or use API. Now that's literally it. And now start earning by clicking on or opening radio links. You can also use our live API for our websites if you wish that your user listening for you, like if you wish, that's literally if you wish that your user listening for you. Yeah, so Step 4 is actually earn and cash out, earn and pay out, and every 15 minutes you get points. Yeah, so these points will actually be converted to the following month and into USD. Now the USD you can actually pay out through bank transfer, which is actually a wire transfer. That's literally Nigerians can actually earn through this one, and Amazon gift for cards or Bitcoin literally. So let's go to the sign up space right now and let's see how it actually works for us. So right now you just click on where it says sign up. So when you click on it right now, it's going to be opening up for you right now. Then you just put in your email address and you put in your username, your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, and put your preferred phone password again, and then that's all. Just click on and this answer right here, it says fast asleep. Just type the answer here, and then that's it. Just click on register, and that's it for Radio Earn. Now just log into your account and start making money for yourself. First income 5 minutes, as you can see here, it says Bitcoin generator, so forth. And then let's go to the third platform on my list. I don't want this video to be that long. The third one on my list is actually Hit Predictor. Now Hit Predictor is actually a platform, and as you can see, as its name actually implies here, Hit Predictor helps predict the next hit. Literally just help to predict the next hits in music, so on and so forth. And literally, as you can see here, it says Hit Predictor actually gives you the power to directly influence new musics before it is released. Now rate new musics, earn gift cards. Yeah, so earn gift cards. Check out our new weekly contests and prize tour. Start listening to music today and start making money, and you can actually make money right now using this platform. As you can see here, it says you make a difference, influence record models and radio stations and artists. Now their managers on what as it says and their managers on what gets released on the public. Actually, it means you should actually can actually make money here by rating musics and influence, like literally streaming the music and so on and so forth. So right now let's click on the create your accounts button. If you want to actually join this platform, you just click on the create your account button. Then you just come, as you can see here, it says join predictor. Yeah, so join Hit Predictor, help predict the next hit. Right now, just click your screen name, that's your first name and your last name. Literally, they put in your password, they put your email address, your phone number, your ethnicity, either black, white, Asian, so on and so forth, and then that's it. And then you click on your gender, you're choosing your gender, then you put your date of birth, and then that's it. You just click on I'm not a robot here, and you click on sign up. That's it for the third one, which is actually Hit Predictor. Now the fourth and the last but not the least in this video right now is actually WeLocalize.com. WeLocalize is actually very cool platform which you can actually use to make money right now, right here. And it says transform your content and data to capture business worldwide. Yeah, so literally, as you can see here, it says WeLocalize helps you transform your content and data so that you can rapidly grow and reach your audience and also engage with global audiences. Right now, if you click on get in touch, is actually all right. So right now, let's go to, as you can see here, it says get in touch. Now literally you can actually get in touch, and this is actually the platform, and this is their email address. You can actually put in your phone number, your first name, your last name, your company name. You can literally put your name or anything, put in your title, put in your email address, phone number, country, and area of interest. That's how you want to actually the literal thing you do, and what you're interested in: digital marketing, legal plus IP, financial, AI plus training data, localization, life sciences, and that's it. Then click on your message and then click on submit. So they're going to be approving your website or your account if it actually suits them. So literally, that's it for this video. That's it for this content. Thank you very much for watching this video, and that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you all on the next one, guys. Peace.